Imagine standing on a cliff and the thunder of the water shaking the air. Welcome to Sweet Falls, Shillong's wild hidden gem in Meghalaya's lush hills. This beast plunges 96 meters straight down, like a giant white ribbon crashing into a sparkling pool. Local calls it Kshaid Weitden, and it's as sweet as candy. But watch out, it got a bad reputation, likely linked to the past accidents. You can drive from Shillong's busy street, and just 5 kilometers from Happy Valley, think of it as a nature's thrill ride. People whispers stories of its perils that is available in the search results. The sheer drop and sneaky currents have tricked few, but that's what makes it exciting, right? Hear the roar first, then see the magic. Mist sparkling like diamonds. At 315 feet tall, it is one of Meghalaya's steepest falls, surrounded by green pines, ferns and flowers. And in monsoon, it is a raging monster. Dry season, a peaceful whisper. No swimming allowed. The pool is a temptress with hidden dangers. Legend says the water tastes sweet, or maybe it is sweet escape from life. Spot rare birds and small wild animals. Snap some pics from the viewpoint or glimpse Khasi locals whose world revolves around these wonders. It is not just a view, it's a story waiting to grab you. Are you planning a trip? Go early for golden light. Wear grippy shoes. Respect the barriers. Beauty loves company, but safety first. Let the sweet falls haunt your dreams. A crazy mix of awe and adrenaline in the Scotland of the East. Ready to chase waterfalls? Meghalaya is calling. Answer it. Thanks for the ride. Keep adventuring. Until then, bye.